Want to grow more vegetables with less work? A raised bed garden might be the easiest way to start. Raised beds provide better soil, fewer weeds, improved drainage, and often produce healthier plants. The best part? You don't need advanced skills or expensive tools to build one. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners can create a simple raised bed garden from start to finish. Raised beds are popular for a reason. They offer several advantages: better soil control, improved drainage, fewer weeds, easier maintenance, less bending and kneeling. For beginners, they remove many of the challenges that come with gardening directly in the ground. It's one of the fastest ways to create a productive growing space. Before building anything, choose your location carefully. Most vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Watch how sunlight moves through your yard. Avoid placing your raised bed under large trees near heavy shade in low areas that collect water. The right location can make a huge difference in your harvest. Beginners often make the mistake of building too large. A common beginner size is 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. This allows you to reach the center from either side without stepping into the bed. Keep it simple. You can always add more beds later. One of the easiest materials to use is untreated cedar or other garden-safe lumber. Basic materials include 4 board screws drill measuring tape. Simply create a rectangle and secure the corners. You don't need advanced carpentry skills. Many beginner raised beds can be assembled in under an hour. Before filling your raised bed, prepare the area underneath. Many gardeners place cardboard over the grass. This helps suppress weeds naturally. The cardboard eventually breaks down while improving the soil below. It's simple, inexpensive, and effective. The quality of your soil determines the quality of your garden. A simple beginner mix might include garden soil compost, organic matter. Avoid filling beds with poor quality dirt. Healthy soil creates stronger roots, healthier plants, and larger harvests. Think of soil as the foundation of your entire garden. For your first raised bed, keep things simple. Great beginner choices include lettuce, basil, green beans, peppers, tomatoes. These plants are productive and beginner-friendly. Success early on helps build confidence for future gardening projects. Raised beds drain well, which means they may dry out faster during hot weather. Check moisture regularly. Water deeply instead of watering lightly every day. Healthy roots develop when plants receive consistent moisture. Some of the most common raised bed mistakes include planting too closely, choosing too much shade over watering, using poor soil, starting too large. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be far ahead of most beginners. Building a raised bed garden is one of the easiest ways to start growing your own food. With a sunny location, quality soil, and a few beginner-friendly plants, you can create a productive garden that lasts for years. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Soil to Harvest for beginner gardening tips, backyard DIY projects, raised bed ideas, and budget-friendly ways to grow your own food. And let me know in the comments,